Okay, so just coming along here just to see how they're doing on the second bit. They're still having their lunch, but you can see they've gone round once or twice, I think. Some even 3 times, but they've just stopped now for a bit of lunch. And hopefully I can maybe bag a lift on the forager in a minute. Look at that. There we go, while they're having their lunch, I'll just have a look at this crop. This is much better than the other field, a lot taller. Cobs are looking good. These are a bit mouldy on there, but nothing to worry about, just surface mould. Hopefully there's no dead bits. We'll have a look, see how we go. Okay, I'm going up the forager now. They're heading back. Oh, up the steps. Do you want to be on video, Ed?
No.
Good, because you are. Let me shut myself in. Look at this. What's it like working on this machine now? I bet you enjoy it, don't you?
It's quite nice, isn't it?
I've been up here before. I love seeing those things when they're going through, because they just fire through it, don't they?
Yeah, it's surprising.
I'll see those whip round in a minute. How long does it take to fill a load? Here we go. Whoa. And we're off. It's concentration on this game, isn't it? Because you've got to make sure you watch it going in the trailer and watch the front at the same time. I don't know how you do it, mate. Eyes in the back of your head, isn't it? This field is much better than the last one, although I can see some low bits over there. There are some low bits in this field. Blimey, I can see some here that definitely been knocked. There's a low bit there, look. Oh, there's a whole load knocked down here. I bet that's coming badgers or deer there, look. Look at that. Crikey. A lot of mushrooms in there as well. I can't believe that. Might come mushroom out here later. Look at the mushrooms. Got a lovely view up here. Let's have a look at your controls. AC's on. Turrets that move around bring the maize into the middle then, straight through, and it goes, brings it through in. Ah, right. Those filling up there. So I come off the forager, let them carry on. I just thought I'd look at this amount that's been knocked down, and just going in here, there's big areas like this where it's all been knocked down, and that's quite possibly badgers, because they've come and eaten the cobs. Nothing else to knock that down like that, apart from maybe deer. So quite a considerable loss you can see on the ground here of the maize stand. Now when I was going along, I did notice, I thought it was mushrooms, but actually it's some sort of toadstool. Not seen it like that before. Look at it, here they are. Funny white things. I'm definitely not going to eat those. Don't know what that is, but it smells like a mushroom, but I wouldn't eat it. Not with the white gills. I don't know what that is. Shame really, because I was thinking I could have a nice lot of mushrooms for my tea. Okay, so I'm going to walk on round and just catch some coming back up. Always love this little dance they do.